Today I am visiting Massachusetts and we are at High Octane Harley Davidson, and this place knows how to put on a proper party. Bikini bike washes, bands, beer, and a showroom full of brand new motorcycles we'd all be lucky to take home. And right here is the Liberty Edition Harley Davidson. We're gonna be, why are you guys running out of the scene? We wanted you in the scene. First of all, Beaton Brothers Real Estate. If you're in Colorado and you're trying to buy something, go see my boy. He's been riding the entire convoy and killing it.
Oh yeah?
Right?
I've never sat on a Harley before. It's the first time.
You've got an Indian. You've never sat on a Harley? Well, sit on it, tip it up. Let's take a look at it.
Oh God, I might actually like it.
This is the Liberty. You're gonna love it if you ride it. This is the Liberty Edition Harley Davidson, celebrating America's 120 years of riding motorcycles. This motorcycle I'm going to be giving away at the end of the convoy at Milwaukee Harley Davidson, June 11th. All you do is you scan a QR code when you arrive. At every single dealership stop, it's a chance to enter, and one person takes home this brand new bike. It could be you. You got a lot of entries. You've been scanning at every dealer.
Every day.
So
every day.
it might end up being his bike.
No, this feels really good. Feels natural, ergonomic. Look good.
Oh yeah, it looks good on you. Why wait to win? Buy it today. Life's short, Dan. Buy the damn motorcycle.
Damn it.
Listen, we're raising money for the Wounded Warrior Project. We've already broke $1 million. And we're also part of the Harley Davidson Let's Ride program. So every mile you log goes towards Harley Davidson's goal for mileage for the year, where they give back to more charities. So there's so many different ways to give back, including just putting miles on your bike. Come out and ride with us. Got 2 weeks left.
Adam inspiring me too. He went to a lot of places. Recently, I watching him that he went to Thailand, and he was on Pan America. It kind of, inspiring me. And then I get it one, so I brought the Pan America 2022.
He showed me how Adam riding all over the country and also all over the world. Very inspiring.
Yeah.
Convoy.
We've got veterans that go overseas and battle for our country and for our world, frankly, and then they come back home and some of them are battling things right here on our own soil. We don't even know about it. Wounded Warrior Project's dedicated to helping those veterans in those times of need. And all the money we raise here today, 100% of the donations are going directly to the Wounded Warrior Project. Today's stop here at High Octane HD, we raised $1,462. Is your last number 4?
Yes! Awesome. Awesome. That is awesome. Thank you.
Loading up, getting ready to head out of High Octane Harley Davidson. $1,462 we raised here today, and we are gonna hit the road. One thing I will say, after everybody saw my rain gear, I'm pretty sure we just sold this place out of their new Harley Davidson rain gear. If you guys saw our video yesterday, I tried on some new rain gear. It's pretty wicked, and you guys should check it out yourself, but get ahead of it, because as the convoy comes through, we seem to be buying them all out. One of my favorite things about the Great American Convoy is my friends come out to ride with me, and my boy Rob came all the way in from Virginia. How long was your ride?
12 hours.
12 hours?
Of just sheer amazing traffic.
It's going to be beautiful moving on
And
out.
you know what? You should still do it, traffic or not.
Yeah, 100%.
It's worth it.
Come out and ride with us. But you're not getting to ride in with me to the dealership today.
No, I'm not. And
Why not?
Because my beautiful new bike is leaking oil all over the place.
Oh,
from my
man.
derby cover here.
This Kraus Derby cover's leaking, and he's going to head to the dealership ahead of me and see if he can't get it fixed or maybe replace it with something a little bit better.
Might have to.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't like anything leaking.
Nope, no good, man. Well, we'll ride together this afternoon. I actually used to work with that company, but I had to pull out of working with them just because of some of the decisions and the way that they were running their business, and this doesn't really surprise me. We're starting off the day correct with $1,000 donated. What made y'all want to put $1,000 in the pot?
Because
It's a lot of money.
Love what you do.
Man, we do it together. How many times have you guys ridden?
This is our fourth year.
4 years straight. And how many days are you going to be doing this convoy?
Till Wednesday. So a week.
Thank you so much. This is the way you get a charity day started. We got 2 stops today. We're hanging out here with the group, the Harley Davidson of Rochester crew, and these folks are absolutely awesome. They have put out a great spread for us. Look at this right here. Look at this spread they put out for us. We got chips and sausages and fruits and vegetables and even cookies and kind bars. Y'all are awesome, man. Thank you for supporting and welcoming the convoy into your home. We appreciate you. Get in there. A little bit for you too. $3,328 at stop number 1. And look at all them bikes back there. It's a Monday afternoon. That is absolutely unheard of. The dealership itself not only put on that spread, but put $500 in the pot. So we are going to continue north to Maine, and that will be our northmost point of the entire convoy 2026. We have made it to LA Harley Davidson, rode in with like, I don't know, 70 bikes, I'm gonna guess. And look at this pizza. This thing looks decadent. They're actually out in the parking lot with a brick oven pizza maker, cooking them. Can you see in there? Cooking that pizza right. Oh, that pepperoni looks good too. What is that, some sort of Chipotle? I've eaten a lot of hot dogs and hamburgers inside dealerships, but never brick oven pizza. This is pretty badass. You know it's good when they got the Jeep eating.
Right?
How good is it, Jeep?
That's pretty good.
Jeep don't eat. How many meals a day you eat, Jeep?
Maybe one.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Sometimes less?
Yeah. A lot less, usually.
How many more?
No.
No?
No more.
No?
I
No
think
more.
last night was a good one, but one piece.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
Scott's so funny, man. He's super stubborn. When he makes up his mind on something, he lives it through, and getting healthy on the convoy is his thing. So this dealership was not even open today. They opened up just for the convoy. And now that they open up and do pizza, look at this, acoustic music in the showroom floor. That's what I'm talking about. So while I absolutely love riding in Maine and the weather's been perfect and we've been on back twisty roads, oh, what do we got here? Hey puppy, come here. Oh.
This is Ellie.
Allie, how you doing? Okay, come here.
Just a little shy.
That's okay. That's okay, girl. So they're working on my bike because I hit a pothole. Now, I will say, as much as I love the roads out here, and I definitely love the people, potholes seem to be a real thing. And I hit a couple of them on the way here. As soon as I got in the showroom, they're like, dude, your wheel's bent. And of course, it's an ST wheel, and they're limited production, so you can't just get one anywhere. So the boys are doing their best to straighten it out, get it balanced, so I can make it for about a 300 or 400 mile ride tomorrow. It seems to be holding air, right?
Well, right now we got the air out of it. We took half your dent out on the other side and put a bunch of bead sealer in. Dan's currently stripping the weights off right now. So we got half of your dent out.
It's a lot better.
There's definitely a dent there. Well,
Gotta love main roads.
it's a lot better. Yeah, there's some potholes out there. Anyhow, you think it'll get me down the road till I get a new wheel?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right, man. That's the goal. Got to thank the boys over at LA Harley Davidson, not only for opening up for us, but also getting me fixed up here because, man, if my bike was down, I mean, wheels kind of an important part, right? Just over $3,000 we raised here today. So a Monday riding across America, visiting Harley Davidson dealership should be the slowest day ever. But we've got a total of $6,245 raised for the Wounded Warrior Project, and every single dollar of that goes directly to them. All right, they got it all fixed up. They're gonna take it for a quick test ride. The wheel looks good. Like, sounds great, of course. Well, they got me all fixed up. The convoy has left, but my road captains, there they are. Pamela and my boy Jay, you guys wouldn't leave me.
We wouldn't leave you.
I know that's right.